brakes work good. Oh, I know the wind noise is from the wing window over there open on the other side. So brakes and steering work good. Shift's nice and solid, 700 R4. So, nice GMC Jimmy out of Washington, so nice and clean, not a rust bucket. So any questions? 605-695